Let's fill out the Kansas ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling an ATV in this state, here is what you need to know about the bill of sale requirements. First, a bill of sale is required for this transaction, so make sure you have that document ready before anything else. When it comes to signatures, all persons listed must sign the bill of sale, and both the seller and the buyer need to sign as well. So gather everyone involved before you finalize the paperwork. For the title, you will need to complete an assignment of the certificate of title. And if there is a lien holder on the ATV, a notarized lien release will be required from that lien holder before the sale can move forward. If the title has any defects, be aware that a defective title certificate may come into play as part of the vehicle identification process. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.